Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now, before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're gonna count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Keep it nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to start putting our hands on our hips. We're going to rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Then the other way. We're gonna keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're gonna bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're gonna bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. And make it star shaped like this. We're gonna go down to one side. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time, cross your arms, head down to the middle. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake your hands, shake your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Jariet, Inye. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson.
Hi everybody, welcome to the next mission today. Now, looks like we don't see the glasses yet. We don't see Rockstar Rick. You guys know where he is? Where could he be? Yeah, it's Super Rockstar Rick. Alright, you guys remember how we defeated him last time? Okay, well we gotta fight him again. He might be a little tougher this time, okay? Now here's what we're gonna do. When Rockstar Rick is he's gonna unleash some notes, some musical attacking notes at us. What we gotta do is we gotta make sure we duck underneath, and as we come up, we're gonna practice a scissor round kick. So we're gonna pick this knee up and throw a round kick in the air. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, guys, get ready to duck. Ready and duck. Scissor round kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Ready and duck. Pick this right knee up and jump left leg. Scissor round kick. Good job, you guys. Ready? Everyone duck. Scissor round kick. Awesome, good. Again, ready, duck. Scissor round kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. 2 more times, duck. Scissor round kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, now this time he's gonna be sending some notes low, notes middle, and notes high. What we have to do is we gotta make sure we duck down deep enough and then make sure to be ready to jump so we don't get hit by those. Ready? Hands up, fighting stance. Ready? Thumbs together, duck, jump. Awesome, good job, you guys. Ready, duck, jump. Awesome, good work, everybody. Again, duck, jump. Good job, you guys. 2 more times. Ready, duck, jump. Good, one more, duck, jump. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna practice some elbows. Everyone together, do with me. Everyone go up elbow, power elbow, power elbow. Now we're gonna practice our 12 to 6 elbow. We're gonna jump up, 12 to 6 elbow like this. Ready? 12 to 6. Awesome, again, you guys, ready? Go up elbow, power elbow, power elbow, 12 to 6. Good job again. Ready? Up elbow, power elbow, 12 to 6. Good, nice. One more, final one, really strong. Ready? Up elbow, power elbow, 12 to 6. Awesome, very good job, you guys. High fives. Awesome. Well, he's disappeared. We got the glasses that we need. We're almost there, you guys. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Chariot? Kanya? Awesome. See you guys in the next mission. Bye-bye.
Awesome job, you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and end class today with a cool down. Okay, so go ahead and have a seat on the ground. Let's go ahead and start with a 1 foot out, 1 foot in, just like this. Pulling your toes back, and then reaching up for the sky, and then going all the way down as far as you can. Now remember, if you can't touch your toes, it's okay. Go as far as you can, keep your legs straight. Now repeat after me. I want to say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to take 1 foot, cross it over your ankle like this. We're gonna start rotating your ankle really slowly. Okay, rotating it really slowly. I want to say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Now we're gonna go the other way now. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now this time I want you guys to go ahead and bend your knee just like this. Okay, you're gonna bend it up, stretching out your leg like this. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna stretch this leg one more time. We're gonna keep this foot right here. I'm going to reach down while this foot's on top. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna switch legs. We're gonna go on the other side this time. Feet out just like this, reaching down for your toes. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good job. All right, now put this leg over the top. We're gonna start rotating our ankle just like this. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good. Now go the other way. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna bend our knee just like this, stretching out our leg. Ready? I want to say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Very good job. Now having this leg straight, going down as far as you can. Ready? I want to say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome job, you guys. All right, now next one we're gonna do, we're gonna have our feet up right in the center just like this. Good, go and flap your wings a little, flap it out a little bit. Good, nice. Now we're gonna go down and we're gonna count 10 in Korean this time. Ready? And we'll say hana, dur, set, net, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome work. Okay, now next one, we're gonna have your feet apart as wide as you can. Good, we're gonna reach down to one side, looking down at your knee, okay? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now go to the other side, keep counting. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job, nice. Now we're gonna go down to the middle. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, Either. Aho. Yeah, nice, awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and stretch out our back a little bit. Now this time, we're gonna go ahead and go in this position here. We're gonna have our feet on the ground, hips together, good. Looking up to the ceiling. Everyone say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Hasit. Yasit. Irugo. Either. Aho. Yeah, good. Now everyone go ahead and go back down on your knees just like this. Good. Now I'm gonna take your hands like this. We're gonna turn our hands upside down, put them on the ground like this. Now very slowly lean back to stretch out your wrists. Ready? Everyone say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna rotate our hands. We're gonna put our fingers down like this and lean back. We're gonna keep counting. Everyone say yasit, irgo, yeder, aho. Yeah, nice. Awesome job, you guys. Everyone give me a high five. Awesome. Very good work today. We're going to go and stand up. Chariet. Good. Kanye. Awesome. Awesome job today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.